Tired of hunting for the Disable button on Cloudflare cache rules? Here is exactly where to click to turn it off in 30 seconds. If your site is showing old, stale content, that active cache rule is probably the culprit. Let me show you how to shut it down right now. We will walk through logging in, selecting your domain, and navigating to the cache rules section to disable the rule. I will show you every single click along the way, so you do not get lost. All right, let us start by opening your Cloudflare account. Go ahead and pull that up in your browser. This is the first step, and it is the only one where you need to remember your login details. Once you are in, you will see your dashboard with all your domains listed. That is the main control center, and it is where everything begins. So now that you are logged in, next, pick your domain. Click on the domain you want to work on. This is the website that is serving the stale content. Just a quick heads up, if you have multiple domains, take your time and make sure you click the right one. You do not want to accidentally mess with the wrong site. Now, go to the caching section. Look at the left side panel. You will see a list of options like Analytics, DNS, and Stream. What you want is the one that says Caching. Click that. I know the dashboard can feel a little overwhelming with all those options, but once you know that caching is where Cloudflare stores your site's files, it starts to make a lot more sense. Inside caching, find Cache Rules. So after you click Caching, you will see a submenu appear. One of those options is Cache Rules. Click on that. This is the specific page where all your rules live. If you have ever felt like the Disable button was hidden, it is because Cloudflare tucks it away behind these menus. But not anymore. Identify the rule you want to turn off. This part is important. Take a look at the list of rules on this page. Look for the one that is causing your problem. Maybe it is the one you set up a while ago, or maybe it is a default rule that is working against you. Read the description carefully. If you are not sure, look at the status. If it says enabled, that is the one that is serving the old cached version of your site to visitors. Now, look for the three-dot menu on that rule. Once you have identified the correct rule, find the three little dots on the far right side of that row. It looks like a small vertical ellipsis. Click on it. This opens up a drop-down menu with a few options. Finally, select Disable. From that drop-down menu, you will see an option that says Disable. Click it. And that is it. The rule is now turned off. Your site should start serving the fresh content. It might take a minute or two to fully kick in, but you have successfully stopped the stale cache from being served. And that is all there is to it. From being stuck with an active cache rule that was breaking your site, you can now confidently disable it in under a minute. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next one.